tissue culture unit in Jagir in Assam. So the Manipur government buys this plant from the tissue culture unit here. If you see the investment on return on bamboo, you can get the investment within 7 to 8 years in bamboo. Whereas tree or eucalyptus takes around 20 years. So it's a very good plan for investment on bamboo. But coming back to the morphological structure of bamboo, you see bamboo has got 3 layers: the outer layer, the middle layer, and the inner layer. Mainly we remove the outer and inner and use the middle layer for bamboo if you make basket or if you make anything, because the outer and inner layer has got waxy content, so glue doesn't stick there. But another important issue of bamboo is the starch, which is again a very big issue on bamboo. What is the problem in bamboo today? Whenever you go to any exhibition, whenever you go to any market, you will pick up a bamboo product. What does it come in your mind first? How long will it last? कीड़ा पकड़ेगा? कितना दिन बचेगा? And after that, the buyer starts, no, I'm not buying. I don't know whether your bamboo is good or not, whether it's treated or not. So this is the main factor about the concept of bamboo by the general public. They feel that bamboo is very inferior. This is because of the starch content. Because of the starch content, the insect and termite attack. And this can be done away by taking proper treatment or cutting harvest bamboo of natural bamboo. See, these are the pictures. Bamboo contains rich starch, sugar, which is a nutrient of fungus, termite, and prone to attack. And you cannot avoid. If you cut a young bamboo and start a furniture, make a furniture, after 6 months you see the furniture start decaying. But if you take a 4 years old bamboo, mature bamboo, if you treat and make a furniture, it will give you lifelong. That's the difference. See, this is how it looks. These are the pictures of the termite attack. Borers and termite. And people have this thing in mind always, whether my product is proof from this thing. So this is a challenge in bamboo. And this is how we treat. Project for the salt water we have seen here, or normal water. The starch should go out. Brochure treatment. In Colombia, they make good structures. I'll show you structures in my slide. They do spoke treatment. They pass the bamboo in a spoke. It takes around 1 month, which is very natural and very good. Otherwise, in China, they boil it. Then they make the floorboard. So that the products are proven are proof from any attack by insects and termites. Once it is treated, it becomes timber. It's as good as timber. So this is the crux of bamboo, of taking care. See, this is the hardness of bamboo. Bamboo is much harder than maple, white oak, beech, or any other bamboo, any timber. The timber substrate I kept here are much stronger than any of this chain or pine or this thing. This is all tested. This is again a community-based making bamboo mat through machines, slivers, and making to bamboo mat board and board. This was extensively used in Andaman Nicobar after the tsunami relief to make bamboo cottages. These are the Indian specifications for bamboo and bamboo products, like bamboo mat, running board, bamboo mat board, bamboo preservation. These are some of the standards are already available here. And I am also now member of the ISI Indian Bureau of Standards for making furniture. So we are trying to put bamboo into the Indian general product slowly and gradually. But again, it's a link. There should be enough industry to use the facility. The National Bamboo Mission is now 100 crore. It's under Ministry of Agriculture and Welfare now. Now it has been clubbed as part of the National Oilseed and Palm Mission. So bamboo has been downgraded rather from National Bamboo Mission. And another interesting thing is that we import bamboo from Vietnam. And the agarbatti industry, I can ask you, the market is around 5,000 crore market today in Indian market of agarbatti stick. And to fulfill that, we are importing from Vietnam. See, Go-Battis are coming in this form from Vietnam. It's coming to Mysore, it's coming to Bangalore, it is coming to all the ports in this form. And this lady here in Salem, she's just doing the perfuming and packaging and selling. Whereas all this work could be done here in India. Right from making sticks to making batti roll, charcoal, this all can be done here, sitting here right in India. So where is our Make in India? We can have this. Every day, more than 2 billion sticks are burned. More than 2 billion. House, temples, shopkeepers, autowalas, taxis, truck, everybody burns. It's like food. Endless. Simple cottage industries. It can be promoted. It is used everywhere, every corners of India. So these are, again, when I talk so much about bamboo, what could be done is grown here. And we are coming back to agarbatti stick. It's an irony actually. But we should wake up now and start thinking, whenever you burn the agarbatti stick at your home in a temple, whether it's Vietnamese or Chinese. Why can't we burn Indian bamboo now? You know? They will give economy or to some money to the poor worker who is getting the relief. Even Goa can have this, agarbatti unit. I think so many temples, how many agarbatti stick was it burning? This is a cottage industry. It's a matter of perfuming only. Some of the micro enterprise bamboo cycles, we see how if I can promote this in Goa for tourism purposes. Is a carbon free and it can do very well. The frames are here. I think we could not put it the full cycle today because of time constraint. And bamboo coffin, another item, again replaces timber. In fact, already people from Bangladesh, they are doing this in a very nice, innovative way, well decorated. You can buy online. It can be ordered, say when I die, I would like to die green, So these are the kind of thing, marketing, selling techniques that are going, Why plastic? Why other timber? When you die, why you also cut a tree and go? In Bhutan, the country, when a person dies, they have to cut 109 young trees to make prayer flag. Now the king has made a rule that it will be replaced by bamboo. So they don't cut timber anymore. Now they are using bamboo as a prayer flag. So similar kind of concept, we can even have it in India. These are some of the bamboo housing which I have initiated over the years in Northeast. I think we can have bamboo cottages like this here. In fact, there are some people doing on its own, but these are being done in Northeast. This is a lodge in Kaziranga, highly demanded by the Westerners and foreigners inside the forest. Then with Exim Bank, we are working on this promotion of bamboo sticks. In fact, Exim Bank, when they came to know that they are promoting import, when I told them why you are importing from Vietnam, so they are trying to help so that we can also start units in India. The building, we are trying to promote bamboo structures. And in fact, for the earthquake relief also in Manipur, we are going to work. So conduct a lot of training on bamboo housing. Another thing which I think associated is the Kerala Bamboo Festival, which is an annual event and it's been quite a success. Similar on this line, I was talking to Pradeep, why don't we have an International Goa Bamboo Festival here. Lots of tourists come here. And in fact, people come here just to see Goa, and that can be one very good area. I'll be talking my conclusion on that part. These are the Kerala Bamboo Festivals. Huge place, it's the largest bamboo market in India today. It's done very well. For the last 13 years, they have been running successfully. I think we can have similar on this line here in Goa. Another area which trying to promote is the bamboo toilets. It is part of our Swachh Bharat mission. So this toilet we see for community, the ones for the sea beaches, they have constructed in Kochi. And for the earthquake in Manipur, we are going to construct 150 bamboo toilets in 3 districts. Once I go back, I'll be working on that. So this is something in Goa also. Bamboo toilets can be a very good, innovative, yet low cost, eco-friendly toilets that can be done here. These are part of the workshop that was done in Nagaland, Manipur. This is a single toilet, doesn't put up. After finish, it looks like this. And the pit is again reinforced bamboo used for the septic tank. I am not using any steel here. And this is a water storage tank, again reinforced with bamboo. And bamboo, when in contact with lime, it becomes stronger, so there is no question of being eroded. or being washed out. So this is again a very low cost technology, which I think can be easily done here. The governor of Nagaland and Assam, P.V. Acharya, he is from Belgaum. He did the inauguration of the bamboo toilet. Other than toilet, we are also looking at bamboo dustbins, bamboo jharu, which is again part of the Swachh mission. So even if you make good bamboo brooms and bamboo dustbins, I think it can serve the offices in Goa where you're using, plastic dustbins. So bamboo dustbin can also replace bamboo toilets, bamboo